The guide gives an insight into the mindset of the employee. One of the key things that comes out of it is the fact that because of the greater confidence of people in terms of moving, that means that when employers are looking to recruit, there is greater opportunity for them to pull experienced staff from elsewhere, because some of those experienced staff are now willing to look at opportunities elsewhere without the concern of being last in, first out. So I think that's a very important thing. Also, the salary parts of the guide gives them a very clear indication of the benchmark levels that they're going to have to offer in able to attract the best possible talent. In 2013, I think all the data suggests that it's going to be a good year. I expect to see job numbers to increase, so vacancy numbers to increase. We'll see more movement of people from between employers. Whilst I don't expect to see salary inflation in the early part of the year, dependent on how the year goes through, we may see that as we move through the year. Over the last year, we've seen the temporary market outperforming the permanent market, because I think there's been a lack of confidence in employers to take on permanent staff. And over the next year, we would expect to see that shift, I think, as there's more economic data that suggests greater confidence in the marketplace, so employers will be keener to take on permanent staff rather than temporary staff. Also, they'll be worried about losing staff and want to hold on to talent, so they're more likely to reward staff with permanent contracts if they're looking to stay, so there may be more people moving from temporary into permanent, so temp to perm as we'd call it in the industry.